So I'm here with Joanna, who has been my inspiration the past couple of weeks. I actually saw her doing a routine on Facebook. And this was really super amazing because I thought it was something that you can do on your own without the need for a gym. And at this point in time when you don't know what else you can do just to keep yourself fit. So I'm really super impressed with this, but I'm gonna stop sharing because I need to know more about this Ropeflow. I talked to her after a few days seeing her doing this. Jo, I want to ask you what got you into Ropeflow in the first place.
My boyfriend, Edsel, actually, it was he who bought the rope first. He had been telling me this for the longest time. And then, tapos he showed me wank. So, and then sabi ko, oh, para namang easy lang yan, ganyan-ganyan. So, okay, syempre, the person in me na very laging gusto ng challenge. So, I tried it. Una yung the regular lang, the matador, which is so easy, you know that, di ba? That was just inside the unit. One day, so I brought the rope with me, went out, supposedly maglalakad lang. And then, nagano ako, mag-isa. I tried first the snake, which is actually wrong. Nag-sneak agad ako. Yabang ako eh. I tried the snake. Tapos, yun. I tried 1 hour, later 2 hours na, and I was just doing it all by myself until finally, I was able to get it. Tuwan-tuwa pa ako, pero yung movement ko bumabalik-baliktad pa. But then, it was really so much fun kasi nga.
It's fun.
So yun, ngayon, ako yung addict na ngayon. Tapos, si Edsel, yung boyfriend ko, hindi pa siya nakakapag-start. So yun, so it was really him who influenced me.
I enjoy it so much that I had to watch of the time.
Yes.
And usually an hour would pass. And the next, you have to be cautious of, your wrist, or you're too tired, you're dehydrated. What else made you want to really get into this?
There's this girl. Her name is Yannikin. She's really good. Oh my God, the challenge alert. So, and then I saw yung other videos niya in her IG. And then from there, I check her. And then those people she's following. So, then it's Banana. And then yun na. And the next thing I know, nag-check na ako kay Rokas, Octomove, so there. So, ngayon, in my IG account, you're gonna see all their names. Sila yung lagi kong pinapanood. Every time I watch them, I say, visit kayo! Kasi they're really so good. They slay. So ngayon, Edsel gonna tell me na, man, relax ka lang. They're doing their flow. You have your own flow. Sabi niya, just think, they've started long ago. Kumbaga, well, Yannikin started lang during this pandemic lang din. So I was thinking, if she can do it, then I can also do it. Although maybe siguro she's better na nga, no? Pero sobrang I really admire them to the point na I'm beginning to hate them because they're really so good.
Good.
Slushy, she's another pala. Slushy is so good. She's based in the US, while Rokas naman is based in Europe. You just really have to make an extra effort to find their videos.
Okay.
It's not so easy. It's unlike other drills, diba? Na there are videos, parang tutorial, but in here you really have to search. And in fact, because they are already so good, it's very seldom that they're gonna tell you how to do it.
I know.
Diba? You know that, diba? Pero si Wank would tell you, diba? Yeah. Pero for some reasons, I like Rokas better. Kasi Rokas gonna tell you very slowly. Tapos, others naman also give you pointers. Pero you really have to do your own research to find out which one would work for you and which one wouldn't, diba? So, yun. So, I'm just really being so matyaga in my search for those videos.
I'm also looking for tutorials step by step. Oh,
Yeah.
to start, which moves to start with. And then usually there's none in the Philippines. And even the ropes were kind of hard to find.
Yeah.
Let's get into the rope. What are the essentials that you want to tell some beginners?
It has to be soft. You also have to consider the length and the weight. The one that I'm using now is just 420 grams. The one that I bought, because mayabang. So I bought 600 plus grams. I think it's 640 or 620 grams. So I bought that. And then without parang, okay, I can do it kasi I'm doing naman lightweight. So sabi ko, what's 620 grams? So, pero when I'm doing already the rope, and then, ayun nga, I notice, matigas siya. So, it's hard. Kasi, and then, my height, I'm just 5'2". Yung end-to-end of the rope has to reach only up to your ribs.
Ribs.
Diba? Dito. So, when you order, you have to tell them, your height is just this.
Mm-hmm.
So, para they can adjust it for you. Although, pwede mo rin namang i-adjust on your own. But it's better than, once you order the rope, you tell them exactly what your height is, and then also be careful with the weight, and then the quality of the rope. Yun yung three big factors na you have to consider when purchasing.
Yeah, and the weight, I agree with you. When you have more weight, but not too much, there's more
Oo.
there's more feedback. The rope just flies in the direction that. So I really like it when I was still practicing indoors. I was using a tape measure because I cannot smash everything inside my unit. So I was using a tape measure. I was like, how can you do this? But when the rope came and I 300 gram because that's the thing available that time. And I thought when you recommended 300 grams, I thought, oh, that's a good point to start, good weight to start with. It was nice, the weight really helped a lot.
The one that you were showing, medyo nakikringe pa nga ako doon eh. Because when you do it pala, you really have to do it slow. So when you do your matador, when you do your chase, it has to be very slow until you get your flow. When you do it fast, yung the posture, the movement, pilit, it's not smooth. So you really have to do it slow.
And
So,
we thought we really need to because
you do it fast kasi it's better, di ba?
transitioning is hard. It's hard to transition from one type of movement to another. And we thought the faster it took to transition, it would be better. But hindi pala. You need to be
No.
slower pala.
You have to do it carefully. Like yung number 8, yung that's basic, you have to do it slow na muna. And then the matador, do it slow, so ganun. So until you get your groove, and then, yun na, tuloy-tuloy ka na.
I want to go back to what Edsel told you, no, na everybody has their own flow. I think that's one of the reasons why I'm so attracted to it. Kasi when I saw you, you were just enjoying it. I really I'm so thankful that you posted it. Kasi talagang na-inspire ako ha. Like, I was like, wow, I wanna do that too. Parang, naisip ko, parang kaya ko siya pero hindi ko alam. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like this is something new for me to, like a goal, because it's getting really boring these days.
Yeah.
Saying, right, there's no gym, I can't dance. So, but when I saw you, you were like enjoying yourself. And I also thought that nobody can judge anyone because it looks like a flow. Like,
Yes.
it's your call. So that's one thing for me. I really liked it, and I really thank you so much that you posted it. You also mentioned one time about some of the things that I should be careful about.
So, there's so many things, especially when you're just starting. Even now, even in practicing now, it hits me a lot. Pero I read somewhere na parang those, when you're hit by a rope, it's a reminder for you na, oh, you're not doing it right. That's why you were hit. So parang that will inspire you, that will fuel you more. No, I'm doing it wrong because I was hit by my rope. Ganyan. So siguro yung biggest hit talaga sa mukha. I was hit as in, like, I saw stars. And then I thought, there will be boost. So far, none naman. But it was really painful kasi even after like a minute or two, parang I can still feel it. And then the following day, I was touching it. There was quite a pain, but not really. Sabi ko, I really just have to be careful. So you just have to look at it that way.
Did
Na
not
parang when you're hit by a rope, it's a reminder for you that you have to be careful. You're doing it wrong, so you have to do it again and again and again.
improve your form.
Yes. What really got me into it, aside from it being very interesting, is kasi I want to tone my muscles, especially the arm part. Para hindi masyadong bulky, you have to give your muscles some rest. So give it a day to relax, or at least if you really want to do your flow or your rope, at least just for 15 minutes. And then what I do, I alternate it. So what I do like right now, I'm gonna do my rope flow, and then the following day, I'm gonna do my yoga. Kasi, so your muscles, para at least, I don't know, it just feels good kasi after having, di ba, become stiff after a while, di ba? You know that. Pero once you do your yoga, at least you stretch it, you stretch your arms, you stretch your legs, and then everything now becomes, parang it comes back to normal. So the pain's gone, and then you can do your rope again. So yun. So I just alternate it. And then minsan I really want to do my flow, my rope. Especially when I'm stressed, bang. Last night I had my rope for an hour. And then this morning I had my rope again. Pero for 15 minutes lang.
Yeah.
Pero later I'm gonna have my rope again. Kasi sabi ko nag-yoga naman ako.
It's like, it's a promise. I'm not gonna take so long today. I'm gonna do it like really short.
And before you know it, you've been doing it for more than an hour, right?
And what's worse, if you do it with music,
Oh my God.
you can go on.
Yeah, by the way, speaking of music, there are also lots of music through Spotify. Just find it, Ropeflow. Yeah,
Oh, nice.
music.
That would have the beat for
You can use it. Yeah, you just find the words, rope flow. I don't know what else. Jumping ropes. Another one that I'm using now is, you're very familiar with this, the soundtrack of Umbrella Academy.
Oh, is it good? Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try it together with Flow.
Kasi those music, ang galing. So parang it fits, you wanna do it slow, they have that in the soundtrack. If you wanna do it fast, then it also has that soundtrack. So magaling siya.
Nice. Oh, wait, I forgot to ask you about if you're a beginner, how much space do you actually need to run a drill?
Siguro at least you need 3 meters. I think the total space, I think 3 meters then.
So really perfect for social distancing, right?
Oo.
It also is nice to know that it targets your core, it boosts your swings.
Your arms, and then your obliques. If you know,
Yes.
diba you do this, you do your sway. So, yung obliques mo, your hips, your legs. So,
And you tend to engage your core. So
yes, a lot of core.
even if you forget to do an exercise or squats or whatever, it's okay because it's like a full body workout as well. It's really, for me, oh my God. Thank you so much, Jo, for introducing me to this.
It's just like swimming, only without the water.
Yeah, but the difference now is that, with swimming, you need to have a pool. With this one, you can play
the
with
rope.
any type of rope, better if it's heavy, but if you don't, shoelaces or any type of rope. So I mean, I'm really happy that you
Mhm.
share it, and I really encourage you to share more. And
Mhm.
especially, I think that the community of rope flow here in the Philippines is not a big community yet.
Not yet, not yet.
Yeah.
But there are some. I can give you some. It's Ropeflow mismo.
Yeah.
I think offer tutorial and Sisters in Flow. You can also follow that. Kasi there's this guy, his name is Arman. He's really good. He gives lessons private and group lessons. I haven't just joined them yet. That's one I'm really interested to join. It's just that right now, I cannot commit myself. Kasi nga, medyo, syempre, the work, of course. So I just don't know exactly when I could join. But if I could, I really would.
I'm really thankful that you indulged me. And again, this is Joanna, my friend. She introduced me to Ropeflow online. I just saw her. She posted it. So I hope that you guys also get into Ropeflow or just, have a feel, buy a jumping rope and have a feel of it. And if you want to follow Joanna, she's Joanna Panopio on Facebook. Thanks a lot, Joanna. Thanks a lot. Thanks for indulging.
Thank you, Beng.
Be safe, and I hope I see you again soon.
Yes, please. Let's have coffee.
I know. Thanks a lot, guys, and thanks a lot for watching. See you again soon. Bye.